Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope everyone is doing good and you're also safe. So today I'm going to share my thoughts on the L'Oreal Paris Rouge Signature Liquid Lipsticks, and also I'm going to attach the swatches at the end of the video. I will leave the timestamp somewhere right here. You can just skip to that part if you just want to watch the swatches. I quickly want to mention that these lipsticks were sent to me in PR, but it is not going to affect my thoughts in any way. The review is going to be 100% genuine, and I promise about that. First, let me just take you through the packaging. This is how the packaging looks like. It is a frosted bottle with a black cap and a gold accent, and the shade name is right on the cap. It is on top, not at the bottom, so it is easily you can just easily notice looking at the top, so which is one thing that I love about. Also, it comes with a doe foot applicator. This is how the applicator looks. It has a slight bend, which actually is such a unique idea because you can really line your lips so precise. It has a pointed tip and it does hold a lot of product in it, which is amazing. And yeah, I overall love the packaging. I have no complaints about it, and it looks so good and luxurious as well. In total, there are 12 shades, and there is literally every color for every mood you will ever have. And the formulations in shades are reds, pinks, nudes and plums. So these are beautifully formulated for Indian skin tone. I was really interested in trying these because I fall under a deeper skin tone, and also I have pigmented lips, and I really wanted to see how this works on me. And yeah, I am pretty impressed in how it works. It is so comfortable on the lip. I have two of the shades on my lips today. I am always having a couple of shades mixed. I hardly wear one color. I don't know why. I just like to mix shades. And if you'd like to know which are the two shades that I have mixed here, is one is I Play and the other one is I Am Worth It. I mixed these two shades to get this kind of a red, more like a, I don't know if it's a red or a burnt brown. Yeah, it looks really nice, these two shades. Anyways, getting back to the review, it is super comfortable. I feel like I have nothing on my lips, which is great, and it also has great coverage. At one swipe, I don't think so you get the exact color what you see in the packaging. You'll have to go about 2-3 times to really perfect the color, which is good. When you feel like you just want to have a tint, you can just go once, and when you feel like you want a bold lip, you can go about 2-3 times, and that is going to look great. So when you have oily food, it does wear off from between and leaves a very strong tint. So basically you will have to use a oil-based makeup remover to actually remove it, because it does leave a tint. While even applying all these shades, I had to like really rub it and put some foundation on and then swatch it for you guys. So I have tried to get the true colors here for you, because I don't want you to end up not liking a good product or missing out on some really good shades here. way, these are all the shades. I hope you loved watching and you're going to pick the right shade for you. Comment down below what was your favorite shade. And yeah, I will be back with more very soon. See you guys very